Did you know your brain could get buff without a gym membership? All it needs is another language. Scientists have been obsessed with bilinguals. Why? Because speaking more than one language improves executive function. That's fancy talk for focusing, planning, and not freaking out when Netflix asks, "Are you still watching?" Bilinguals are better at ignoring distractions and switching tasks like mental ninjas hopping between languages, emails, and coffee breaks. But before you binge Duolingo like a Netflix show, know that it's complicated. Scientists call it a forest of confounding variables. Factors like education, travel, and socioeconomic status can all play a role. So, who gets the biggest brain boost? Kids and older adults seem to benefit the most. Think of each healthy habit: exercise, socializing, language learning as a slice of Swiss cheese. Stack enough slices, and you've got full coverage for your brain. Now, that one semester of French you took probably won't rewire your neurons, but hey, it's a start and might impress someone at brunch. So, learn a language, flex those neurons, and remember, stay brilliant and brilliantly confused. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more Mind Bites.